Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. He shoots, he scores! That's what the Bruins have been doing this year. This video was shot in 2023. It certainly looks, the recording time of this video looks like they're going to be making the playoffs and definitely have a good run to the Stanley Cup. 3 words for you: they look unstoppable. Let's take a look at what we have in Boston Bruins. Yes, it is the Boston Bruins. This is one of their. This is a different cap than what you normally see. You see the big B. You have the gold brim, the Bruin yellow gold, honey mustard, and you get the brown right there. I'm gonna take a close look at this Boston Bruins logo there. We're working with a 7 5/8. That sticker is glistening, and yes, very. It's different than what you normally see. You don't see many types of these caps, and as I like to remind viewers that watch any of these NHL fitted hat, New Era hats reviews, New Era and the NHL are not under contract for worldwide distribution anymore. It's Fanatics. Fanatics does the NHL merchandise. Backside. Here's the NHL logo. You have the vintage hockey production, New Era 7 5/8 we're working with, and the guts of the hat, as you see here. Let's strum that little banjo. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a very great day. See you later.